Good morning, friends. Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Bhandaraj Mode, Dosa. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Welcome to Analog Electronics online study. Today's my topic is Klemper circuit. In previous slides, we study about Klemper circuits. What is Klemper circuits? Types of Klemper circuits. How the work Klemper circuits. We study in details in previous sections. The Klemper circuits provides the output when the input is sinusoidal waveform and output is a part of input. It cuts the some portion of input and gives the desired output as we want. It cuts positive portion, then it called positive clippers. When the circuit cuts negative portion, then we can say it is negative clippers. Clippers used a battery, then it is called bias clippers. When the positive clipper, a diode is biased with a battery, then it is called positive biased clipper. When the diode are in series with input, then it is called series. When diode is connected in parallel with input, then it is called parallel clippers. So we study about these circuits in previous sections. In next and today we will discuss about Klemper circuit. Clippers and clampers are different to each other. Clippers clip the portion of input and gives the output as we want, but the clamper is different. It's not cut, it's add the DC components to the input as a desired level as we want. Clipper clips and clamper add the DC components to the input and gives more output comparison to input. In clipper circuits, we not used energy storage devices like capacitor and inductor, but in clamper circuit we use a energy storage device like capacitor. So in clipper we use only diode and load resistance, but in clamper circuit we use diode, load resistance and a capacitor to store the charge, and this charge add to the output and gives more output comparison to input. So in clamper circuits we will study in details. So let's start. Clamper definition. A clamper is an electronic circuit. Okay, it is electronic circuit that changes the DC level of a signal to the desired level without changing the shape of the applied signal. The clamper circuit does not change the shape of the input signal, but it adds the DC level to input signal. In other words, the clamper circuit moves the whole signal up or down to set either the positive peak or negative peak of the signal at the desired level. So input received at output, but at output the input signal goes up or goes down, it changes the level. The changing of the level by adding the DC components. So a clamper circuit adds or shift the level of the input signal to the positive direction or to the negative direction as we required. The DC component is simply added to the input signal or subtracted from the input signal. A clamper circuit adds the positive DC component to the input signal to push it to the positive side. Similarly, a clamper circuit adds the negative DC component to the input signal to push it to the negative side. Okay. When the DC components adds in positive side, then it is called positive clamper. When the DC components adds in negative side, in negative cycle, then it is called negative clamper. We want to increase the portion of positive, then the DC components adds to positive cycle, and we want to adds the DC level in negative direction, then the DC level is adds with negative cycle. But the circuit is different both. Positive clamper, negative clamper, both circuits are different. We will discuss in details. If the circuit pushes the signal upward, then the circuit is said to be a positive clamper. Okay. If the signal upwards increase in upward direction, then it is called positive clamper. When the signal pushed downwards, then it is called negative. On the other end, if the circuit pushes the signals towards, then the circuit is said to be a negative clamper. When the signal is pushed downwards, the positive peak of the signal meets the zero level. The construction of clamper circuit is almost similar to the clipper circuit. The only difference, what difference between clipper and clamper? The only difference is the clamper circuit contains an extra element called capacitor. A capacitor is used to provide a DC offset or DC level from the stored charge. A typical clamper is made up of a capacitor, diode and resistor. Three main components are used in clamper circuit: diode, resistor and capacitor. And some clamper circuits contains extra element like DC battery, then it is called biased clamper. Battery are used in clipper, battery are used in clamper, then it is called biased. The resistors and capacitors are used in the clamper circuit to maintain an altered DC level at the clamper output. The clamper is also referred to as a DC resistors, clamped capacitors or AC signal level shifter. Okay. Positive clamper. What is positive clamper? How work it? Okay. A capacitor with input in series, a diode parallel with input, and resistors, load resistance, where we get output signal, output voltage. Input are positive cycle and negative cycle, both gives to the diode, and we received output at first. When input is positive, input cycle is positive, then the capacitor stores the charge as well as input. Vm is the peak value of input positive cycle, then capacitor charged a level of Vm. And in positive cycle, diode first part is negative but input is positive, both are reverse, so diode are in reverse bias, or in reverse bias condition diode work as a open circuit. So in Vm, positive Vm, capacitor charged to a peak value Vm and capacitor charged and diode reverse bias and diode are removed and open, and input positive cycle goes to RL. And at first the cycle start with negative because at first capacitor is charged up to a level, and in another cycle capacitor discharge its value. At first V gives negative cycle to the diode or capacitor. In negative cycle diode are in forward biased. We discussed about negative cycle. In negative cycle diode are in forward bias because first point is negative and input is negative, both are negative, so diode are in forward bias. Diode work as a short circuit and capacitor charge up to a value minus Vm and Vc equals to Vm. We apply KVL at Vi, capacitor and diode, then capacitors charge up to a value Vm. Charge store is charge. Now positive cycle comes after negative cycle, positive is comes. In positive cycle diode is reverse bias and diode work as a open circuit, and positive cycle and capacitor release its charge. Capacitor charge is Vm and input is Vm, both are added and twice of Vm is appeared across RL. So in positive cycle output is 2 Vm, but in negative cycle output is Vm. Not a Vm in short circuit, so output is 0. In positive cycle input is Vm, capacitor charge Vm, both are added, diode are in reverse bias and is open, and input and capacitor charge added is 2 Vm and appears across RL, and in positive cycle output is twice of Vm. And in negative cycle diode is forward bias in short circuit and output not appear across RL because input is only in capacitor charged. So in negative cycle output is 0, but in positive cycle output is twice the input. And in negative clamper output appears in negative cycle. In positive cycle output is 0. Let's discuss capacitor, diode and load resistance RL. Only diode are replaced, interchange is parts. Position of the diode is changed. Okay. Working when at first positive cycle is goes to the diode first part is positive, input is positive, diode is forward biased, and in forward condition load output is 0. In positive cycle output is 0, but the capacitor charged up to a value Vm. Input is Vm, then capacitor charge up to a value Vm. When input is negative, In negative cycle, diode is positive first part and input is negative, both are reverse, diode are in reverse bias, so diode work as a open circuit. In open circuit, capacitor charge up to a value Vm, input value is Vm, input is minus Vm, capacitor value is minus Vm, and both values appears across in negative direction, minus twice of Vm. So in this circuit, the output appears across negative direction, minus 2 Vm, and in positive direction output is 0. It increase the output in negative direction, so it is called negative clamper. It removes all parts in positive direction. But in first diagram, in this, it clamps the level of input in positive direction at output, so it is called positive clamper. And in negative direction, in negative direction the output is 0. So the clamper circuits are clamps a part in positive direction or in negative direction, not in both direction, only in one direction. If it increase a level of input in positive direction, then it is called positive clamper. When it increase a portion of input in negative direction, then it is called negative clamper. But in clipper, we discussed in previous sections, in clipper, when circuit cuts the positive portion, then it is called negative clamper. Clipper, sorry, it cuts the positive portion and gives negative portion, output is negative, then it is called negative clipper according to output. Types of clamper: positive clamper, negative clamper, biased clamper. We discuss in details. Positive clamper means in positive direction. It clamp means it at a DC level in positive direction of input signal. It is called positive clamper circuit. We discuss in, and let's discuss tomorrow. And in negative clamper, a DC level increase, or we can say input signal appears across output in negative direction, it shifts its position. When the output shifts the position in negative direction, then it is called negative clamper. Biased clamper. Biased clamper are used in positive or negative. When the battery used in positive clamper, then it is called positive biased clamper. When DC battery are used in with negative clamper, then it is called negative biased clamper. Biasing are used for more shifting the level, or diode reverse bias, forward bias controlling. So battery are used with positive and negative in both types, then it is called positive biased clamper, negative biased clamper, and we discussed tomorrow in details. So it's clear what is clamper circuit and what is clipper circuit. Clippers are different, clampers are different. Clippers cuts the portion, clamper shift the portion, increase the portion. in positive or in negative direction. Okay, so a clamper is an electronic circuit that changes the DC level or of a signal to the desired level without changing the shape of the applied signal. We can say the clamper circuit moves the whole signal up or down, in up direction or in down direction, not to both, only in one direction. A depends on circuit construction to set either the positive peak or negative peak of the signal at the desired level. So thank you for watching my video. Thanks to all. Thank you.